So hello, this is a Honda NC750X. It's the 2-cylinder engine. I will show you which one. This almost parallel with the road. It's very interesting engine. 55 horsepower, and which is not a lot, right? And but we are here to hear the sound of the stock exhaust. It was updated, I think, in I believe 2016. This is the model of 2017, and one of the improvements was actually the exhaust. So the sound now it's a little bit better. It's not bad for the, you know, like a versatile motorcycle. It's not that bad, but I would invest to some kind of Akrapovic. Is that much better? Now, first gear. Yeah. It's not bad. The ref limiter is very soon there. It's about 6,800 RPM. But, wait a second. In the meantime, you can listen to Mercedes.